We are 1 week away from the AI application building challenge. So best of luck everyone. Next Saturday 9 o'clock we are going to start the submission of your idea that you are going to make. A lot of people are learning, preparing their documents. So this is a message from the founder to everyone here who is preparing for this amazing opportunity that is there. So what I request all of you to do is to go through the day 0 challenge. Make sure that you have downloaded this document that is there. Share about your challenge participation on social media to have accountability, as well get access to the AI builder vault. If you have the resources, do that. If not, we have some videos that are going to start in day 0, as well as we have a YouTube channel with which we are also sharing in this particular video, and we are going to put it out there. So you can go to this particular playlist and understand the basic videos that are there. This is not all the videos, but some of the videos that are there, some of the experiences that people have shared as well about this particular challenge. So have a look at this. The best option is to have a look at the specific AI builders vault, but I have talked a lot about this, but I want to focus more about how you can take this last 1 week and prepare. There are some suggestions that it is going to be a holiday or something. That is fine. You just need to submit your idea. You need to participate on the challenge. We already have 147 participants. I am pushing it across different platforms. I am trying to get around 200 people. Let us see what is the number going to be. But we are going to start this on 7 January 9 o'clock when the first checkpoint is going to open. The first checkpoint is only going to tell you about the document submission that is there. So right now I'm already telling you what are the support materials, what are everything. So try to get access to all those things, start preparing. The end result on this day is going to be submitting your specific document that you have created in the last few months. Also do a posting that is there. So do a posting in the community platform that is there, and what is your project about, commenting on LinkedIn. If you are not able to comment on LinkedIn, then you can just put it on the feeds that are there, the feeds that are going to come internally. You can submit your feeds there, you can talk there, you can chat there, and we will also be creating one specific feed internally in the community for all of you to keep active and keep talking so that you are motivated. So this is not only about learning, this is about as well about sharing your experiences with others as well. So step by step that is there. Just again to rephrase everyone, there are two major paths. One is the coding path and the no code and low code path. So select accordingly, and best of luck for your challenge, and see you in the complete your day 0 and see you in the other side very soon.